You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install it. Make a trim board, we're getting a nice look on it. We have some closed molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
Siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Well, again, it's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resized the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to call Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.
তোমায় কত দেখো হৃদয় খুলে রাঙিয়ে দেব তোমার পাজর মনের রঙিন ফুলে ভালোবাসি তোমায় কত দেখো হৃদয় খুলে রাঙিয়ে দেব তোমার পাজর মনে রঙিন ফুলে তোমার চোখে আকাশ আমার চাঁদ যার পূর্ণিমা ভেতর থেকে বলছে হৃদয় তুমি আমার প্রিয়তম
See the lumber, what we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom, vinyl siding installation, crane board insulated panels, and board and batten. Here we are, we're coming close to finishing this side of the house. Again, as you can see, we have the clapboard insulated vinyl siding panels and the board and batten separated by borders. This definitely took a lot more time. Every time you want to put borders in between, it does take more. It just stops the process of vinyl siding to set up. But look how it looks. It looks great. So we have the border in the middle portion, the white band that goes across, and on the third floor, the window and the carpentry work. You can't see it all now because the scaffolding system is up. But once we take it down, you'll be able to have a better view. Just stay alert and keep watching our videos. I'll post the other one. And you can just see how incredible it looks like this. We can definitely make anything happen for your house, for your home. You know, from putting up the standard clapboard vinyl siding to creating some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right people to install it properly, and who has the imagination, the skills, and the experience. So give us a call at 973-487-3704, or go to one of our websites, njdiscountvinylsiding.com, for your free estimate and consultation.